Hey guys, it's your girl Shelby from Shelby Fine Cuisine. Today I'm going to show you guys how I make my curry codfish with black beans rice. Okay, that's my favorite rice. Okay, now what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you guys how I make everything. Okay, over here as you can see, I have my fish already marinated, and here I have my black beans already cooked, guys, and I have my coconut milk. Okay, and also I have all my marinades for my rice, and here I have my turmeric with red chili powder, and also I have my onion, okay, and my tomatoes for my fish, and that's it. And I have my garlic, of course, for my fish. What I'm going to do first, guys, I'm going to start with my rice. Okay, let me start cooking my rice first. Okay, now I'm adding my marinade. Okay, that okay, it's gonna be warm up now. Okay, let me give it a stir while it's coming up. Okay, you know what, let me start also with this. Let me cook my garlic. Okay, that's for my rice, guys. Okay, now I'm going to add my parsley and green pepper. Okay, now what I'm going to do also with my fish, I'm going to add some basil and my rice also. Okay, and chili sauce. Where is it? You guys can see it. Okay, hopefully you guys saw it. Okay, my rice. Okay, give it a stir. Okay, now I'm adding my onion. Okay, and my tomatoes. Okay, now I'm going to add my thyme for my rice and also for my fish. Okay, I'm letting that cook, guys. Okay, now I'm adding my my beans. Okay, just let it cook. Okay. Okay, guys, I'm going to let that cook for a minute, and then when we come back, we'll finish up. Okay, come back. Okay, guys, now what I'm going to do, I'm going to add my bay leaf. I have 2 of them. Okay, and also I'm going to add my turmeric with red chili powder. Okay, that thing a little bit hot. Okay, now I'm adding a little bit of butter. my rice also. Cook. Okay, when we come back, guys, we'll add some warm water. Okay, come back. Okay, guys, now it's time to add some water and my curry. Okay, I'm going to let it boil, guys. Okay, and then after that, I'll add my my fish. Okay, and for my beans, I'm going to add my coconut water. Okay, perfect. All right, now I'm adding some bouillon, guys. Okay, 1 tablespoon. Okay, for my fish, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon for my fish. Okay, guys, what I'm going to do next, I'm going to let everything boil. Okay, when we come back, I'll add my rice and my fish. Okay, come back. Okay, guys, now it's time for my fish. Okay, let me show you guys what I'm going to do next. Okay, as you can see, my fish, my curry already cooking up. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to start adding my fish. Okay, alright, guys, it's going to be so delicious, guys. I can smell it all over the house, especially with the garlic and the turmeric powder. It smells so good, guys. I can't wait to start eating my rice. Oh Jesus, guys. Okay, now let me just let it cook. Okay, you know what, let me just give it a taste, see if I need anything. Okay, let me see. Oh, delicious, guys, so good. Okay, now for my rice. Okay, I already cleaned up my rice. Okay, yellow rice, guys. All right, now let me just add it. Okay, all right, it's going to be so fast, guys, because I'm not going to just, that's it. No, I'm not cooking no more stuff, just my rice and my fish. Okay, let me sit that down a little bit, dry my hand, give it a stir. Looks so perfect. Okay, let me taste that also. Okay. Delicious. Okay, guys, when we come back, we'll check on everything. Okay, come back. Okay, guys, now let's check on our food. Okay, everything should be good. Okay, my rice already cooked. Okay, and my fish. Now it's time for me to add my green pepper and parsley. Okay, guys, let me just, okay, all right, very nice. Okay, I'm going to give it 5 more minutes, and then, okay, guys, when we come back, everything should be ready. Okay. Okay, now, guys, everything is finally ready. So I'm going to show you guys how my plate looks. Okay, over here. see my plate already fixed. And what I'm going to do next, I'm going to put some green onion on top of my rice. Okay. And for my fish, a little parsley. Okay, guys, you see that? Okay. You see that, guys? Very nice. Okay, that's it for me, guys. I just wanted to share that with you guys. Okay, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and give it a thumbs up. Okay, and if you want to know more about this recipe, let me know, and then I'll check back with you guys. Okay, have a wonderful day. Enjoy. Bye.